The agent asked me if I was still interested, and I said, well, I might be. I was definitely interested. I purchased this 1-bedroom apartment in Vauxhall for £290,000, and my plan was to use the B4R model to supercharge its value. I found this apartment listed on Rightmove, and the floor plan had everything in my criteria checklist. I went to view the apartment. It was literally 5 minutes walk from Vauxhall Underground Station, and it was literally just behind Vauxhall City Farm. There was lots of development taking place, so I knew it would be a great investment. As I walked into the apartment, there was a toilet on the left-hand side with no sink. There was a bathroom on the right-hand side with a sink but no toilet. Directly ahead was the bedroom, which was a good size, 10.26 square meters. The living room was a good size. It was 14.04 square meters. This was a little smaller than on my criteria checklist, but I felt the shape was perfect. Kitchen, it was 8.1 square meters, so ideal. I could see that the apartment ticked all my boxes in relation to the criteria, so I offered on the property, and to my horror, the property was sold to someone else. I was devastated, but I was persistent. I kept following up with the agent. He called one day and said to me, Ram, the sale has fallen through. The tenants had moved out, and so the property was empty. The agent asked me if I was still interested. I offered, and my offer got accepted at £290,000. The works took about 6 weeks. The first photo you are seeing is the open plan living dining area. The second photo is of the kitchen. The next photo shows the main bedroom, where we also managed to squeeze in a shower and sink. The space originally was a deep wardrobe. The next photo you are seeing shows the kitchen we converted into a bedroom. The next photo shows the main bathroom, which we put in a toilet and removed the bathtub so that we could put in a shower as well. The final photo shows the new toilet with a sink. I used an interior designer to make sure I was using the space in the best possible way I could. So this apartment went from being a 1-bedroom apartment to being a 2-bed, 2-bath apartment. The purchase price was £290,000. The refurb costs were £23,000. The bridging costs were £13,322. The stamp duty was £13,200. Legal and other fees were £3,882. The furniture costs were £4,597. The total costs were £348,003. The valuation of the apartment came back at £390,000, at which point we got an 80% loan-to-value mortgage. We were advanced £312,101, which meant that the money left in on this project was £35,902.27. This apartment in central London literally cost me less than £36,000. As it happens, I used the B4R model I created to buy, reconfigure, refurbish, rent and refinance all the apartments I purchased in London, even outside London. This model I developed allows me to buy nearly 3 times the number of apartments when compared to the traditional way of investing and the way I used to invest in property. If I had bought this apartment the traditional way, I would have put down a 25% deposit, paid the stamp duty and legal fees, and so I would have been in for £125,000. The real increase in the value in relation to this apartment was created by going from a 1-bedroom apartment to a 2-bed, 2-bath apartment. If I compare this project with my first ever buy-to-let that I purchased in Birmingham, the purchase price of that property was £84,000, and in total my investment in that property was £32,500. Imagine finding a way to invest in central London with leaving in similar amounts of investments, but where the capital growth is likely to be life-changing in years to come. I really hope this video helps anyone looking to invest in central London. This model I'm sure can work in other cities, and I'd love to hear from you if you have done something similar in or outside of London with apartments. I saw this quote about persistence which really fitted well with this project and property. Whoever knocks persistently ends by entering.